One, two, three.
When it snows, I'd like to see it land upon your wrinkled nose. I'll notice how your cheeks turn the shade of a rose.
When it snows, I'll reach into the pocket of your winter coat, and there I'd find my favorite hand to hold. Through winter snow, under the mistletoe, I'll learn to love you more and more. Come summertime, under a sunny sky, I hope that you will still be mine. When it snows, we'll leave our footprints on the way to your front door, and cozy up to the fire to stay warm.
When it snows, we'll make some tea or share a glass of honey whiskey.
Honey,
Here's to looking at you and me.
one, two, three.
Through winter snow, under the mistletoe, I'll learn to love you more and more. Come summertime, under a sunny sky, I hope that you will still be mine. As quickly as the first snow fell,
We both know that it soon will melt.
weather will stay true, only time will tell.